As you can see, stone falling on people's house. Stone, fine stone, and they're very hot. They're very hot. Stone falling on people's house. Stone falling on people's house like rain. As you can see, I'm outside. Yeah.
Wow, it blew again. That's the third time. It's coming right in Camden Park.
Right in Camden Park, that job.
Yeah, boy. What I want right there. Right there. You see that shit?
Could actually see the smoke from Kingston Park.
People, this is the current situation. Dark as dark night. God is good, man. God is so good. We need to have a little bit more faith. Faith move mountains, man. What the? Woo! What the hell? Watch up, watch up! Yo, my God, stop! Erupted! Well, so sorry I have to go, but we are.
Yeah, so we're currently leaving this area because we're experiencing ashfall and the sulfur is very strong. So we're leaving this area because
Oh my God, it's sick.
Gosh, watch it!
Okay, thank you. Just shoot my voice so I get it.
Holy,
Okay,
it really erupted! My God!
Ignorance, the boat been a last night, you know. What's speed for them now? The boat been a last night, you know. The boat been a last night, you know. But now them see dark clouds are running.
Boy, come with me, no crowding. In other car then. I am okay.
What case, yeah?
I'm just waiting.
What case, yeah?
Well, if you boat come, send the boat fast and thing, because right now me feel like more shit.
You see? Wow! Oh shit, man!
Again, this is not a drill. This is actually happening. We're doing an emergency evacuation from Chateaubelair. We're asking you again, if you're in the fit-use Chateaubelair, Petitbodel area, your muster point is at Mission Corner, which is just at the front of the wharf as we evacuate persons out of Chateaubelair. The first, hi baby, the first vessel is here, taking persons out of Chateaubelair.